Okay, today we are ready to start the last little section on the back side of part 1. We're going to do sit down through wrong error. In class, we talked about or we reviewed noun verb pairs. Remember, when you're citing the verb, it has the one motion, and the pair of that in the noun form has the double motion. Okay, so for the first one is the sign for sit. Okay, the noun option of that would be chair. So see how my action, what I'm doing, is 1, and the object is 2. Next, test or exam. Your test or exam or your quiz, it's made up of a lot of questions, right? Hence the sign, coming from the question sign. Okay. Next one, turn lights on versus turn lights off. So turn lights on, turn lights off. Turn lights on, turn lights off. The next one, well, again, this sign is important with your facials. It's a way to, so really important with the facials. You're using this as almost like the English way to be like, it's a way to kind of give a little pause or allow you to have time to think during your conversation, while you can think of what you're going to sign next or what you want to respond back with the conversation. The next one, unclear, not sure. You can sign this a couple of ways. The next one, walk. Or maybe see it. Next one, right. And the last one, wrong. Wrong. Okay, so we have sit down, test, turn lights on, turn lights off, unclear, not sure, walk, right, wrong.